Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's me BNT. So today I'm gonna unbox the Maono studio microphone set. So let's go!
You assuming I'm a human, what I gotta do to get it through to you, I'm super.
Here we have the box. This contains the AU-A03 model of the studio microphone. So let's get into it. So here we have the box, and inside this we get the foam cover, the pop filter, a shock mount, a table clamp, microphone cable. It has a 3.5mm jack, and here's the headphone adapter. Here we have the manual, some card, and here we have the boom arm, and finally here we have the mic. ಏನೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ today. Hey guys, so today we're gonna unbox
ಅಜೀಬಾಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಬಂದು
So this is the Maono Studio. So this is the Maono Studio